Hi everyone, Coach Gabby here. This week I am going to be talking about calorie deficit and why it is going to work against you if you go way below your calorie goal from 500 to 1,000 calories, and why this is a recipe for disaster when it comes to getting long-term results with your weight loss goals, losing weight around the belly, getting those overall health and wellness goals reached with that sustainability. Stick with me to the end of the video, and there's a special bonus waiting for you there as well. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Coach Gabby. I've coached hundreds of women get sustainable results, women specifically over the age of 40. I picked that particular niche because typically us females tend to do a lot for everybody else, and we're always putting our needs on the back burner. During the pandemic, I helped a family member, 2 jobs, has kids, and really helped her get accountability with herself, with her self-care, getting her on the right track with a personalized and unique plan in nutrition, in her daily movement and strength, and daily mindset habits. So what my program is not, it is not a quick fix program. It is not a program that you just download and you do on your own. This is a personalized program for you. I'm there for you every single step of the way until you reach those goals with sustainability. If you feel comfortable with what you need to do moving forward with those habits, that's what my program is about. It's a holistic approach, coaching on nutrition, mindset, strength, and movement. All the major factors that are needed in order to reach your goals with sustainability, long-term success. That's what it's about. So, why is going into a major calorie deficit going to be harmful? Your body is very smart. When you're decreasing those calories significantly, your body goes into a reserve mode. So it's going to reserve those calories and it's going to store more fat. I'm not going to go into scientific, but that's pretty much the gist of it. So you're probably thinking, don't I need to go into a calorie deficit to reach my goals? The answer is yes, you do. But there is a correct approach on the calorie deficit. You need to find a way to create a calorie deficit, but approaching it with a balanced philosophy. So there are several ways you could do that, which is number 1, you could do mindful eating or calorie counting. There are a lot of calorie counting apps out. So if you think you're under eating, there is an online calorie calculator, and I have one specifically that I use for my personal coaching clients. And if you want to claim that, and I can go over your calories and what you need specifically, just comment to this video, calorie deficit, and I will connect with you on the next step. Remember this, extreme calorie cutting is not a healthy way to decrease that waistline and lose weight. You need to find an approach that energizes you and fits into your life. Your body and your mind will definitely thank you for the nourishment it needs to thrive. If you're ready to fuel your body right, then comment calorie deficit below and we will connect. I will connect with you one-on-one. We'll figure out what your calorie goal is, and you can have an idea of where to go. If you want to discuss more what a personalized plan would look like, working together, then we can discuss that. If not, at least you'll leave the call with a calorie goal that you can start working on your own. Thanks for listening. Make sure if you do watch, like this information, please click the subscribe button and the little bell, and every time a new video comes up, you will see when it comes up. I am going to be doing 2 long videos like this every single week, and it's going to be less than 10 minutes. So it's great because you can listen to these videos when you're on the go. Just tune in while you're driving home, get some awesome wellness content, and make that drive go easier. So easy access, easy to listen to. I want you to thank you for listening, and if you think this video could benefit anybody else, feel free to share. Bye for now.